This is my go-to ginger tea recipe, and I thought I'd share it with you. Ginger tea is not only great for its immune-boosting health benefits, but for its ability to soothe the singer's throat. It's all natural and super easy to make. First, heat up a pot of water. While you wait for the water to boil, pick some fresh organic rosemary. Rosemary is optional, but adds a boost of flavor and anti-inflammatory compounds. Start cutting your lemon into 2 or 3 pieces. Then, peel only half of a large organic ginger root. Once the ginger is peeled, you can start grating it. Make sure to not waste any ginger and cut up any loose pieces with a knife. Once the water starts boiling, you can add your ginger. Then, 2 cinnamon sticks, the rosemary, and 3 lemon slices. Stir occasionally and let it sit on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you wait, the stronger the flavor. It smells like Christmas in a pot. Use a sieve to separate the ingredients from the tea and pour it into a glass mug. Afterwards, just add honey and you're good to go. I hope you like this ginger tea recipe. Let me know how it worked for you in the comments below.